Hi everyone, today is October 14th, which means I'm exactly 1 week post-op. I'm doing well. I am still in a bit of pain, like just where my incisions are and on my left side. I was doing fine up until yesterday, and I was in excruciating pain with something that just did not react well to my body. So people call it dumping. I don't think it was quite that. It was like the worst sort of trap pain I've ever felt in my entire life. I literally had to take really, really strong liquid painkillers. I was crying and everything. It was that bad, and I live with chronic pain every day. Pain doesn't really, I mean, obviously it bothers me, but I'm used to it. I'm always sort of tough and just put a smile on it and blah blah blah. But yesterday, my friend and my godson come round, and I was keeled over on the floor crying like a little girl. I was in absolute agony. I just could not handle it at all. I was an absolute mess. And then I ended up passing out and slept for about 5 hours. Woke up and was still in pain. I had to take my injection. And then I have some more painkillers and my medication. I got straight back in bed. It was not a good night at all, but today I woke up and I'm feeling alright. I'm not eating anything today. Obviously I'm on a liquid diet anyway, but I'm literally just drinking cordial all day because everything is knocking me sick. The thought of, even though I can't actually eat, the thought of anything sort of substantial to drink is just absolutely knocking me sick. So yeah. Yesterday I had an appointment at my doctor's. I had to have some bloods taken to do a blood platelet count because I've been taking the injections of blood thinners. They just want to check that I'm okay and my blood's okay and things. So I get the results on Monday. I'm back at the doctor's. It's Wednesday today, so on Monday I should have the results and get to speak to my doctor and stuff. What else? I weighed myself today because I'm 1 week post-op now. I'm not going to be doing this every week. I just thought, because I feel like all my swelling has gone now. And my boyfriend looked at me and he was like, "Do you know what? You look like you've lost a lot of weight." I was like, "What do you mean?" He said, "From the surgery, from hospital." He said, "You look like you've lost a lot." So I thought, alright, well, I'll just go and check. Apparently, I'm not sure how accurate my scales are at home. I have checked them a couple of times and they have been right, but sometimes they're not as well. So I'm not going to say this officially, but when I was in hospital, I was the day before, or the day of surgery, but before the surgery, I was 159.3 kilograms, and today I weighed in at 151.1 kilograms. That just seems so much weight loss. Like, seriously? That can't be right, surely. But saying that, I weighed myself before I went into hospital. On the day that I went into hospital, I weighed myself at home to check how accurate my scale was, and it was exactly the same. So I weighed myself at home and it said 159 point, I think it said like 0.2 or 0.4, something like that. And then when I got to hospital, I was a little bit less. I think that's right, but it was like barely anything. So yeah, I don't know whether that's right. I might see if my doctors have a decent scale because in the past they have not, and I've always got wrong results from them. So I'll see on Monday when I go, and see if I can weigh myself there and get a more accurate result maybe. I have one injection left, which is tonight, and then I can stop doing those. I'm still wearing them horrible socks, and they have cut into my legs. I've got all marks all over my legs where they've cut into. They hurt so much. They're so annoying, and it means that I can't shower properly. One, because it hurts, my incisions and stuff are still hurting, so it hurts to sort of bend because my shower, it's over a bath, and it's quite tall to stand into, so I struggle. I have been struggling. I have had a shower, and obviously I've had to have like bed baths and washing, blah blah blah. I won't go into detail, but because I have to take the socks off, I can't get them back on. It took me like an hour the other night to get them back on after a shower. I was in agony. My boyfriend, he got really stressed out, bless him, because it was that difficult, and like all my skin was pinched because it's so tight and things, and ended up marking myself trying to get them on. They're horrible, so I'm taking them off tonight, and that's it. Gone forever. Thank God. Oh my God, I'm gonna have so much yes, so when I get to throw them in the bin because they're evil and I hate them. What else did I want to say? I've spoken to my hospital. I've got a nutritionalist appointment on the 22nd of October. It's just a telephone appointment, just to review everything, and that's about it. I'll do another video soon. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone's having a good day.